What the hell? Oh, this is weird. This feels like a quarantine camp or something. I don't know how I feel about this.
I feel like I'm on the Discovery Channel.
Come on in, folks. Spread out on the rail. We have plenty of space for everyone.
Wow.
Alrighty, excellent. Well, looks like we just about got everyone. Welcome to the Nevada side of our power plant. In front of you are 8 of our 17 commercial generators. There are 9 more of these generators located in the Arizona wing. Each generator stands about 70 feet tall, but from here, we are only looking at the top 30 or so feet, so they're going to extend another 40 feet below the floors. By itself, a single generator will produce up to about 130 megawatts of electricity. This means the total combined output for this facility, all of our generators running at the same time, will produce just under 2.1 gigawatts. That is enough electricity for about 1.3 million homes throughout the American Southwest. Looking at the generators closest to us, let's look at the floor in front of it. You see a gated off area and 3 brown half circles sticking up out of the floor. That is a Pelton water wheel. That's a different type of generator. It's producing all of our in-house electricity. So it's powering all of our systems, equipment, and machinery. And one of those pieces of machinery that I really like talking about is that big green thing with the American flag hanging from it. That is a P&H bridge crane. You can actually see a second bridge crane even further down the length of the powerhouse. Each bridge crane has a